Been a dreary day for many of us. Temperatures well below normal. It's felt like fall out there, and that's likely to be the case for the next several days. Now, in terms of rain that's occurring out there right now, it's becoming a bit more scattered and hit or miss in nature. And I suspect that trend's going to continue into the evening. With that said, if you got plans, the rain gear wouldn't be a bad idea. Most of this is going to stay very hit or miss and generally on the lighter side. At times you might find a pocket of some yellow and some orange right there, but for the most part, a good slow, steady, light rain is expected into the next several hours. Mostly cloudy skies overnight. This is 10 o'clock. Still got a few of these showers around the area. Overnight, we expect some additional showers to move into parts of the area. Most favored tonight while you're asleep is going to be Interstate 40 and points off towards the south. Wouldn't rule out a couple of showers northwest Arkansas, but you'll notice the better, more favorable odds are going to be the further south you go, closer to our actual cold front that's stalled out along that Red River Valley. This is 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. A lot of folks probably waking up dry, but there will be some showers to track out there. Rain gear, not a terrible idea. Overall, chances of rain tomorrow a little bit higher in the River Valley as opposed to northwest Arkansas. We'll dance around some scattered showers again Wednesday. Thursday really appears to be the next big widespread day. A lot like what we saw today, but perhaps a little bit heavier in nature. Next 7 days, rainfall projections are somewhat steady, 2 to 5 inches. A lot of us are going to get at least that 2-inch mark. Some locations, and probably the River Valley, I'm thinking right now, according to some of the latest data, may trend closer to 3, 4, and certainly some localized areas may get closer to that 5-inch mark. Good news is it's spread out over 7 days. We might not totally avoid some localized flooding, but in terms of widespread issues, not expecting any of those right now. Here's 2 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. Next batch of showers moving in, likely fizzling out on approach. We're really going to want to watch Wednesday night into Thursday. That's when the more widespread heavy soaking rain comes in. You find more of those reds there. This is early Thursday morning. Heads up, Benton County, you're going to get it first. Moving in from the northwest, it drifts off towards the south, eventually by mid-morning in the River Valley. It's slowed it apart, but I do think the second half of Thursday may be a little bit better. Highs tomorrow ranging from the 80s in northwest Arkansas into the low 70s in the River Valley. That's kind of flip-flopped, right? Well, the reason why we're going to be a little bit warmer in northwest Arkansas as opposed to the River Valley is that rain chance of cloud cover is going to be a little bit thicker there in the River Valley. Good news is, if you like the cooler temperatures, this is September 2nd through 8th. We're looking at about 2 weeks away, still looking at a sign of below average temperatures. Haven't been able to say that in a while, right? Your Razorback game day forecast. 30% chance of scattered showers out there. I don't think it's going to be as widespread as what we're seeing right now. Temperatures unseasonably cool with a high of only 79 degrees. You do notice us starting to warm back up early next week. Even then, warming up on the low to mid 80s. That's well below normal for this time of the year. 70% chance of rain in the River Valley, primarily tomorrow morning. I think the second half of the day, we're looking at a few isolated showers, but for the most part, it's that first several hours of tomorrow morning, and then we slowly but surely taper off.